Montana, at the airport, there has been a small plane that crashed while landing, and this crashed into a parked aircraft, triggering a large fire. But however, fortunately did not cause any serious injuries. Now, this was a single engine plane that was carrying 4 people and was attempting to land at when it comes to the Kalispell City Airport. And this is when it comes to the incident that happened, that caused the fire and that spread into the grassy area before it was extinguished. However, there has been no fatalities as of now, Rishabh, being reported from this incident.
Well, definitely a small chartered aircraft is what we are given to understand, carrying 4, was trying to land in Montana when it lost its control and rammed into a parked aircraft, causing a huge fire at the airport. But fortunately, there hasn't been any casualty that has been reported. But there have been multiple air incidents and aviation incidents that have been reported from the different parts of the United States. FAA has taken note of it. They have issued an inquiry as well. Remains to be seen what exactly comes out, what led to this incident. But for now, definitely, the increase in aviation incidents is a cause of worry for aviation sector worldwide.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Rishabh, for getting us that update. Another aviation-related incident being reported this time in the United States. We'll get you more on that. In the meantime, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News. Times Now Live coming up.